Pahiga, hindi ka lang patunga. Para masalakay ka. Hindi ka dagay sang labay-labay.
Oh, good luck. The first five. The start of the ball game. Umpire, jump ball. Start of the ball game. Good luck. Ball taken by jersey number 31. Pass to jersey number 23. Jersey number 7. Fade away. 2 points. 2-0. Jersey number 03. 10 to shoot. Out of bounds. Turnover. Jersey number 7 dribbling the ball. Foul, jersey number 15, first personal foul. Jersey number 7, dribbling the ball. Play ball. Rebound by jersey number 4. Pass break. Jersey number 7. Pass to jersey Nataw. There's a whistle foul. Foul committed by jersey number 23. That is the first personal foul. Jersey number 18, 3-point pass. No good. Pass break. Tamando Mascog, out of bounds. Jersey number 18.
Hindi ka dagal, labi-labi sa tunga. Sabad ka rin si mo.
Jersey number 4. 10 to shoot. Jersey number 7. Third drop. 2 points. 9-0. Jersey number 7 dribbling the ball. Jersey number 7 harassed by 18. Kick out. 31. Pull up jumper. 2 points. 11-0. Now jersey number 20. A 15. The spin ball deflected out of bounds. Same ball. Time out. Break. 5 minutes and 3 remaining time. Score 11-0. Jersey number 20. 3.5. Puro ka boss. Out of bounds. Dribble the ball. Jersey number 4. A 9. 3-point, no good. Rebound by 20. Now jersey number 18. Pass to jersey number 15. No good. Oh, ay Japon. Out of bounds. Same ball. Three-point pass. Tambus Japon. Ball taken by jersey number 6. Oh, ay Japon. Now jersey number 4. Dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 7. O, salot sab ah. Foul jersey number 0. Salot sir. Sab. Jersey number 0. That is your first personal foul. 2 shots. O, basket. First free throw. 12-0. Two out of 2, 13-0. 4 minutes. Jersey number 15 to jersey number 6. Nakascore na. 2-13. Jersey number 31, pass to the middle, kick out to jersey number 7. Back to jersey number 7, 3-point fires, no good. Ball taken by jersey number of the glass, 2 points. 15-2. Jersey number 3, back to 77. To jersey number 20. To jersey number 15. To jersey number 6. 10 to shoot. Jersey number 3. Attacking the basket. Lahat foul. Out of bounds. Same ball. Sunod sa 3 minutes and 3 remaining time. Reset shot clock of 14. Jersey number 15, spin move. Foul committed by jersey number 43. That is your first personal foul. Jersey number 6. Pass to 15. 10 to shoot. Shot clock 9. 9 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Step in the line.
Stepping the line.
Jersey number 2, pass to 31. Now he's dribbling the ball. To jersey number 43, to jersey number 2, pull up jumper, no good. Rebound by jersey number 6. Now 77. Pass to jersey number 3. There's a whistle. Foul. 2 minutes by jersey number 31. That is your second personal foul. Duha na foul mo 31 sa absolute. A basket. First free throw. 3:15. Salang. Ball taken by 43. Pass to jersey number 2. Now jersey number 2. Dribbling the ball. Attacking the basket. Rebound by jersey number 6. 277. Now jersey number 77. Tawag din, foul. Foul jersey number 1. That is your first personal foul. 2 minutes and 5 remaining time. Jersey number 277. Foul. Jersey number 43. Second personal foul. Dua na foul mo, dua. Sunod sab, sir. Sunod.
Maksa wala ka kaya kababata ya. Ayaw ka makampaw. Andyan na mo kalabaw.
No basket. 4:15. Ball taken by 25. Now jersey number 25. Pass to jersey number 2. Pass to 12. 3-point fires. Bang! 3 points. Jersey number 77. Pass to 77. Fade. Tetrap. Nagwa pa. Rebound by 16. Nagwa pa. Now jersey number 1. Dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 2. Jersey number 16. Deflected. Pass break to jersey number 3. Tama sa. Out of bounds. 1 minute remaining time. 1 minute. Jersey number 2. Dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 1. 50 seconds. 3 points. Bang! 2 points. 21 points.
Keno for 3.
40 seconds. Agaw na naman. Now jersey number 2. Drop pass to jersey number 1. Jelly layup. 2 points. 23. 30 seconds. Jersey number 77. Out of bounds. 23 seconds. 23. Three-point fires. Bang! Long 2 points lang. 2 points. 15. 10. 5.
End of the first quarter. Score 23. 6 in favor of Tigs. Second quarter.
Start the second quarter. Jersey number 10. 3-point pass. Swag it. Rebound by jersey 4. Deflected by 05. Jersey number 05. Tawai. 10 to shoot. 2 points. O 14 shot clock. No good. Rebound taken by jersey number up. Out of bounds. The same ball. Go pa. Jersey number 2. Layup. 2 points. 25-8. Jersey number 18. Pass to jersey number 10. Kick out to jersey number 6. Pass to jersey number 10. 3-point pass. Kabos. Jersey number 18. First personal foul. Jersey number 2. Pass to jersey number 1. To jersey number 4. Back to jersey number 1. Fade. Nice pass. Tawai. Foul committed by jersey number 6. That is your first personal foul. First free throw no good. 25-8 score.
First free throw not counted. Second free throw.
1 out of 2. 26-8.
Score 26-8. 8 minutes. 27
Jersey number
seconds
10 to
remaining
18. Back
time.
to jersey number 10. To jersey number 05. Layup. No good. Ball taken by jersey number 12. Pass to jersey number 2. Now jersey number 2. Dribbling the ball. Drop pass to 25. Off the glass, no good. Follow up by jersey number 9. 20 naman si. 8 minutes remaining time. Jersey number 10. Ball taken by jersey. Sir, kung wala na sir, di ako kita. Sir, kung wala na sir, di ako kita. Jersey number 12. Off the glass, 2 points. Hindi pwede sir, hindi pwede. Live ball. Counted, live ball na. Mag-dead ball lang. Jersey number 10. Dribbling the ball. 3-point pass. Waigit. Rebound by 05. Pass to jersey number 6. Kapos. Rebound by jersey number 9. Deflected. Ball taken by jersey number 9. Taway. 3-point. Nagwa pa. Rebound by 05. Pass to jersey number 10. Jersey number 10. Ipasa sa referee. Salud, Sab. Salud.
Pasa sa referee, wala
Kaduha
pa
ng
salo.
sa referee. Oh, fire. Jersey number 2. Pass to jersey number 12. To jersey number 9. Jersey number 4. Pull up jumper. Rebound by jersey number 9. Off the glass, no good. Na-deflect by jersey number 4 na buya niya. Ball taken by jersey number 3. Now jersey number 03. Dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 20. Six minutes. Time out. 6 minutes into remaining time. Score 30-10. Nice pass. 2 points. Grabe sa basa. Jersey number 77 to jersey number 15. To jersey number 18 to 03. 3-point fires. No good. Rebound by 23. Pass to jersey number 2. Now jersey number 2. Pass to jersey number 12 na. May sumasa. Wala kang nasulog. Jersey number 22. Third drop. 2 points. Now jersey number 2. Pass to jersey number 04. Jersey number 4 off the glass, 2 points. (34-12). Jersey number 03. No good. Rebound by 9. Pass to jersey number 2. Now jersey number 2. Dribbling the ball. Go. Jersey number 77. Layup. Jersey number 2. Pass to jersey number 4. 3-point. Rebound. Jersey number 22. Foul. Basket count. Salud. Jersey number 4. First personal foul. 14-34. Jersey number 31. Jersey number 77, dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 3. 3-point pass. No good. Rebound by 0-3. Deflected. Ball taken by jersey number 7. Jersey number 15. Foul committed by jersey number 9.
Ari ka po isa.
Saba lang. Jersey number 9, first foul.
May ko i-chiringon. Kaya wala akong mayat.
Basket first free throw, 16-34.
Oo, pabati.
1 out of 2. Jersey number 21. Dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 7. Jersey number 7. Pass to jersey number 4. Nice play. 2 points. Jersey number 15. On the glass, 2 points. Jersey number 23. Then laying the basket. Dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 31 to jersey number 23. Deflected. Ball to number 23. 10 to shoot. 38-18. Jersey number 20. Layup, 2 points. Jersey number 23. Pass to 31. To jersey number 9.
Roy, kabalik! Shout out! Alias Kapol!
10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Nice move. Block. Jersey number 7. Friendly bounce, 2 points. Timeout. Score 42-20. 2 minutes and 24 remaining time.
22 point lead by Tigs. Last 2 minutes, 24 seconds remaining time.
Roy, kabalik!
Back to the ball game.
Jersey number 77 dribbling the ball. Pass to 20. 3-point pass, no good. Rebound by 15. Jersey number 15. Kinaliwa pa.
Kinaliwa, sumulod.
Jersey number 1. Pass to 43 out of bounds. Same ball. 1 minute and 58 remaining time. 20 man siya.
20.
Jersey number 4 to jersey number 7.
Galagati, dribble the ball. Laog ta si Galagati.
Jersey number 7.
Oy, bang.
Foul jersey number 28. First personal foul. 1 minute and 47. Reset shot clock to 14.
Dudog! Hello, Dudog!
Jersey
Bay,
number
kada
1.
ka may go ka.
10 to shoot.
Gang! Uy! Gang,
Pass break. Go. Jersey number 7.
Siyempre, number 7.
Pass to jersey number 4.
Yan.
Foul.
Una ng tulod. Dudog! Buyag-buyag ilawan.
Foul jersey number 6. That is your second personal foul. Doon na foul mo jersey number 6. 1 minute and 13 remaining time. Tapos,
Wala magsulod ang first free throw. Second free throw. Oy, 1 down of 2.
43-22 substitution. 1-30 Abilid.
Subdivision.
Jersey number 15. Attacking the basket.
Uy.
Foul committed by jersey number 12.
Number 12.
That is your first personal foul.
Sabi ko ang 43 naman. Oh.
The basket first free throw. 23-43.
Second free throw. Not counted.
Jersey number 31 goes to coast. Layup. No good. Ball taken by jersey number 3. Pass to jersey number 20. To jersey number 77. To jersey number 3. To 20. Layup. Tapos pa.
Masulod.
O deflected. Out of bounds. 1 minute remaining time. 1 minute.
1 minute remaining time. 43-20. 20
Jersey
lead
number
by
31.
Tig. Oh.
Pass to jersey number 1. No good. 15 seconds. Jersey number
Uy.
deflected. Pass to 77. 40 seconds. 3-point fires. No good. Rebound by jersey number 6. There's Ayuso.
Kita, una.
Foul. Jersey number 7. First personal foul.
Gapilit.
35 segundos.
Kitaon. Kitaon. Yan ang reklamo. Kitaon. Gan. Counted. First free throw.
Two out of two.
Out of 2.
25-43.
25, 40, 43, 25. 30.
30.
20, 27, 25, 23,
10 to shoot. 20. Malusot, taway-taway. Jersey. 10.
ay! Ay!
5. 3-point pass.
3 points. End of the second quarter. Score
45. End of second
45,
quarter.
28 in favor of Tigs. Back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game. Third quarter. 45-28.
Third quarter.
Now jersey number 2. Pasok ulit. Nakasa. Taway-taway.
Uy! Nagpo-opportunity ba?
Jersey number 10. Pass to jersey number 18. Boss, dua ka mo. Now jersey number 2. Dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 7. Behind the back. Up. Nice pass.
Agoy!
Jersey number 6. Pass to jersey number
Dan.
Backcourt violation.
Backcourt violation.
Wala pa naka-establish yan, Tel, sir. Backcourt to backcourt. Wala pa naka-establish yung duwaya ka, Tel. Reset shot ka lang ka, 14 lang. Shot clock. Wala pa naka-establish yan, Tel. Jersey number 2. 10 to shoot. Pull out jumper. Nagbuka pa. Ball to the jersey number 2. Away the ball. Out of bounds. O 13 shot clock. 13. Jersey number 2. Drop pass. 10 to shoot. Oh, Prende Banks, 2 points. 49-28.
Fairness. Dua kalbo ba?
Now jersey number 10, pass to 0-3. Fake, katak na basket layup, no good. Dua isa. Jersey number 2.
Sige.
Size 10, contact lines, 2 points. 51-28.
Hoy, ang ito.
Deflected. Kabus pa.
Hoy.
Jersey number 2, dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 7. Jersey number 7. Hot back in the basket. Kabus. Out of bounds. Underground sub. 7:57, 51-28. Bagsing mo naman si Tres.
28.
Jersey number 77. Pass to 15. Jersey number 15. Layup, 2 points, 30-51.
Number 15 for 2.
Now jersey number 7. Pass to jersey number 2. Jersey number 2. Screen by 31. Jersey number 2. Attacking the basket.
Hoy.
Play ball. Ball to number jersey number 6. Pass to 16. Very good.
Mapisan. Mga vlog ko po dasig magdalalaga na.
Jersey number 9. Pass to 31.
Kadlaw man si Kalbo.
Sunod sab. 7
Kadlaw
minutes.
sa.
Jersey number 77. Pass to jersey number 28. Back to 77. 3-point fires. No good. Rebound taken by jersey number 05. Out of bounds. Jersey number 15 spin move. No good. Rebound by 28. Foul.
Wala ang sulod.
Jersey number 25. First personal foul.
Not counted.
Wala, good one.
0 out of 2. Hoy,
Jersey number
kakayo.
4. We're dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 25.
Oh.
Tapos. Pass break. Tama na ang scoop.
Wala nga lang po. Yung tusod doon tayo. Tusod doon tayo outside.
Now jersey number 7. Dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 4. Jersey number 4. Low post. Deflected. Still.
Still by number 5.
Pass to jersey number 13. Lapaw. Ball to number 13. Sapa. Right that point. Ila na mong bola.
O, 3.
3-point pass. No good.
Japon.
Jersey number 7. Dribbling the ball. Pass to 25. Jersey number 25. Out the glass. 2 points. 53-13.
23. 53-30. 53-30 in favor
Jersey
of
number
this.
77. Pass to jersey number 1. White Japon.
Ay, lampos. Ay, lampos.
Time out. Tigs.
Time out, Tigs.
5 minutes 6 remaining time. Score 53-30.
Katawag. Yan.
23 Bansin.
Walang paper na sa bagal. Sabi sa kita, pila ko ng edad mas, 20 go? 5'11"? Kita, kata ko wala hilig sa basketball. Nablo si Pidan, 5'11", wala hilig sa basketball.
O back to the ball game.
Pinablos ni Pidan. Sa haro, ang banyak ko mabasket ko kung binaklan sa ano, baklan ni Pidan, ang sapatos. Pagkadason ko naman si Manang kita ni Pidan, bit gitara. Wala gidahilig sa hampang, wala gidahilig.
Jersey number 20. 5 minutes remaining time. Boss. Rebound by 43. Pass to jersey number 7.
Hindi ka boss lapaw.
Now jersey number 7 dribbling the ball. Lost by jersey number 13. Yep. Kick ball.
Tatanggalin yung nyok ko.
Jersey number 77. Pass to jersey number 18. 3 points. Forget.
Uy, wala git.
O sa sunod.
Ang iyang mga parinte, ne, ang balay na astubang, dasang total, bilang kasulinahan. Andira, ang mga parinte, yan nadira. Ang tanong apelido na da.
Jersey number 2. Dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey 31. To jersey number 43. Of the class 2 points.
Uy, tutubo.
Symbol.
Minsan, logo pang tres. Wala, yan ito bang, ano ba lang babae? Ito na kapag mo. Bang!
Bulit ha?
Nagtiyo sa job.
Naglaro si Maggie.
Bulit ha? Nagara si Day.
Jersey number 18. Pass to 77. 3-point fires. Bang! 3 points.
Yang ano, baklon?
Jersey number 4. Pass to jersey number 2. To jersey number 4. Pass to 43. Jersey number 43. Lay out to boss.
Isa pa, uy!
May foul. Wait lang sir, wait lang.
Number
Pero pili ko.
13.
Time out. 3 minutes 33.
Right?
Time out, Tigs.
Walk lang.
Tigs, time out. Remaining time, 3 minutes, 33 seconds. Score, 53,
Jersey number 28.
55,
Second personal
33.
foul.
Back to the ball game. Free throw. Free throw by number 43. One out of two. Wala.
Jersey number 77. Dribbling the ball. Jersey number 77. Pass to jersey number 3. To jersey number 20. 3-point fires. No good. 3-point by 25. Pass to jersey number 2. Ball taken by jersey number 15. Spin move. Foul! Basket count! Foul jersey number 25. Tatlo ka na jersey number 25. That is your third personal foul.
Babi. Si Maggie.
Jersey number 15. Traveling violation.
Tutok ka lang, masakit.
Jersey number 2 to jersey number 9. Jersey number 4.
Bawa ka namin isang hangin. Ay, 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 ay. Yan.
Correct, sir. Jersey number 15, second personal foul.
Grabing persa ba? First free throw counted. Second free throw, no. 1 out of 2.
Jersey number 4, pass to jersey number 23. To jersey number 9, back to 4, 3-point pass. No good, rebound to jersey number 3. Out of bounds, same ball.
Same ball.
Right there. Jersey number 23. Foul, jersey number 3. First personal foul. Nice pass of the glass of point. 59-35.
Chris. Uy. 23.
Oh, no, 58 bilin. Tapos, first free throw.
First free throw not counted.
Well, good.
0 out of 2. Wala gyapon. Wala gyapon mula.
2 points.
Sulod.
Jersey number 9. Pass to 23. Nagwa pa. Follow up pa jersey number 1. Paway.
Sumulog din.
Stepping the line. Puno 14 bilin.
Istorya pa sila. Ang kalma lang.
Jersey number 1. 1 minute. 10 to shoot.
1 minute.
5 to shoot.
Uy, kabos.
Tapos 50. Fast break. Jersey number 77. Layup 2 points. 40 seconds. Jersey number 1. Side step drop. Paso na. Foul pala ito jersey number 1. Jersey number 7.
Wala.
Foul jersey number 15. Tatlo ka na. That is your third personal foul. 31 seconds remaining time.
15. Tatlo na.
The basket.
First free
62-39.
throw basket. Not counted. Second free throw.
10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. 3-point pass, no good. 15. Jersey number 15. On the glass, 2 points, 10.
10.
5.
End of the third quarter. Score 64-41
64-41, end of third quarter.
in favor of Tigs. Back to the ball game. Last and final quarter. Last and final
Number
quarter.
18, pass to 28. To jersey number 18, 277, 3-point pass.
Bang!
3 points.
Highlight.
Okay, Tibad siya. Konti to basket count. Basket interference. Konti to konti. Basket count.
Bing lupa dyan. Foul eh.
Wala. Basket count. Wala to foul. Basket interference.
Ulihin na lang ito pa.
Jersey number 18, 3-point foul. Basket count. 3 points. Foul jersey number 31. That is your third personal foul. Tatlo na 31, tatlo. 47,
Highlight.
66.
Tuwang-tuwa.
Oh, 4-point play. 48, 66. Fast break, 31. Out of bounds, same ball. Jersey number 43, low post. Kabos. Ayan mo yapon. Ayan yapon. Out of bounds, same ball.
Same ball. Last touch lang ano, 23.
Jersey number 21, deflected steal. Fast break. Diamond. Jersey number 2. Pass to jersey number 4. Down and around. Pass break, jersey number 77. Hold the glass, 2 points. Size na lang. Jersey number 2, dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 4. Ten to shoot. Foul committed by jersey number 28. That is your third personal foul. Tatlo ka na jersey number 28. 8-17 lawig pa. Jersey number 4, low post. Black. Out of bounds, pattern no. Very set at clock to 14. Very set at clock to 14. Jersey number 2. Pass to 31. 10 to shoot. Deflect trigger. Down na naman. 8 minutes. Jersey number 18. Attack in the basket. Jersey number 2. Pass to jersey number 4. To jersey number 7. 3-point. Kabos. Pass break. Away-taway. Aray ko. 14 na lang, 14.
Ang 20 23, naging 14 na. Remaining time, 7 minutes,
Isa na lang
32
out nyo.
seconds.
Takes.
Score,
Last 7 minutes,
66-52.
31. Dua isa tayo mga last 7 minutes and 31. Now jersey number 1. Dribbling the ball, pass to jersey number 7. Jersey number 7, dribbling the ball, pass to jersey number 4. Ten to shoot! Kuya Jumper na tao, 5 to shoot! Shot clock na, shot clock na! Dito na ko, dito na ko. Sunod, shot. Sunod, shot. Shot clock na, dito na ko, shot clock. Last 7 minutes. Jersey number 77. Oh, wala kita. Nakuha na itong pick up. Ball to game by 31. Now jersey number 91. Wow! Overspeeding, out of bounds. Play ball, play ball. Jersey number 15, dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 18, 277. Jersey number 77, 3 point. Points, Odsing lang. Jersey number 2. Pass to jersey number 9. Speed move ka, white foul! Basket down! Foul, jersey number 28. That is your fourth personal foul. Sulod, Sam, sulod. Apat ka na, jersey number 28. That is your fourth personal foul. Sulod ka, Sam, sulod. Last 6 minutes. Bonus shot. Now jersey number 77, dribbling the ball. Pass to 18. To jersey number 15. Patak on the basket, kick out, 3-point pass. No good, rebound by 15. Tabos. Jersey number 2, dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 12, to jersey number 9. Low post. Pass to jersey number 2, to jersey number 3-point pass. Tabos. Rebound to by jersey number 6. Pass to 77. Now jersey number 77. Hatak in the basket, deflected. Ball taken by jersey number 3 now. Foul. Follow under 77, 2 points. On CNC. Jersey number 12.
Kamay na lang,
Pass to
abante.
jersey number 7. Last 5 minutes. Jersey number 77. Play ball. Masaya. Play ball. Play ball. Jersey number 15. Drop pass to 27. Siyam na lang, siyam.
Jam na lang.
Jersey number 2. Dribbling the ball. Rebound by jersey number 9. Deflected out of bounds. Same ball. Last 4 minutes and 29. O time out. Both teams, isa-isa na lang time out.
Time remaining.
Last 4 minutes and 29. 68-59. Siyam na lang abansi.
Jam abanse. 9-point lead by Tigs. 68-59.
Jersey number 23. Pass to jersey number 7. 10 to shoot. Tapos. Nakuha si jersey number 10. Pass to 0-3. Now jersey number 0-3. Bowling. Jersey number 7. Okay, na lang. Follow up, 2 points. Last 4 minutes. Jersey number 23, tatlo na ball mo. Sulod. Sub. Warning bench. Resentment to call. Jersey number 3. Drop pass to jersey number 6. No good. Pass to jersey number 2. Pass break ka na. May isang pass. Nice play. Hey, last 2 points. May isang pass. Balik sa 3C. Jersey number 15. Deflected. Out of bounds. Same ball. Last 3 minutes and 22. Jersey number 3. Third drop. Kabus. Ball taken by jersey number 7. Jersey number 7. Hatak in the basket layup. What's the let's up? Foul jersey number 18. That is your second personal foul. Last 3 minutes and 9. 2 shots.
Uy!
Kabus sa mga free throw.
Tapos!
1-2, 73, 59, 14. Balik naman si
73-59 in favor of Dig. 14-point lead.
3-point fires. No good. Rebound by jersey number 9. Last 3 minutes. Jersey number 2 dribbling the ball. Delaying the basket. Jersey number 7, dribbling the ball. Screen, that 23. Pull up jumper. 2 points.
Liwat ah. O liwat. Chris.
Jersey number 12. No! Jersey number 18. Layup. Kabus. Rebound by 20. 2 points. Go again. Tulo. Last 2 minutes. Up.
Ilang. Nah, isi mana gitu. Natural lang ginaya.
Dapat po, offensive foul, jersey number 23, para support, personal foul. Wala na, tama na.
Bunga sila tumba,
Sa
patas.
lawsuit.
Patas. Ari video ni kamu magaway
Uno
daw.
ko natin, ibiginin. Apat ka na, jersey number 23.
Ari
Apat
video
ka
ni
na,
Paro. Di ka mga problema, may video tate. Review nyo karon, review nyo. Ma-edit niya, wala problema. Masugpo niya.
$149 Pulo Bansi. Jersey number 18. 3 points. So I did. Nakuha si jersey number 31. Pass to jersey number 9. Ten to shoot.
Katoy na!
5 to shoot. Sumalagit. Last 1 minute. Well, good. Jersey number 7, pass to 31. 45 seconds. Ten to shoot.
Nagatamsak.
5 to shoot.
Uy!
4 seconds to shoot. 4.
Katamsak.
Bang! Sulot pa. Bye,
Oo. Wala na 20. Ay, tapos na. Marita. Winner by... Tapos na. End of the fourth quarter. Ano na, how ay gusto ka?